my name's Karen Borg and I teach the science classes for Covenant Homeschool Resource Center. And this video is about our monthly program that we have for the K through 4 students and the 4th through 6th grade students. It's the same topic for each of the grade breakdowns, it's just that the older kids is a little bit more in depth. So when they arrive for their class, they go into room 3 and they have a little spot set up on a chair that indicates their own little place where they have a bag of things that they'll be taking home. They can put their water bottles there and a sweater if they bring it. And then we start off with just a group activity at a table. Then we break into usually like a small lecture, if you will, about what the topic is about. And then we do 1 or 2 labs depending on the length of the class and the depth of the lab and the ability of the students. So it's a little flexible. Everything that they do that day, they take home. So there's no carryover from one class to the next. And there's around 15 students in the class, so it's a small group. And we just have a lot of fun. Our topics this year are bats, states of matter, dinosaurs, planets, the earth, flowers, spiders and insects, electricity, and structures. So we'll be having a really full slate of earth life and physical science. So you can sign up online and hope to see you in one of our science classes.